Cryptocurrencies have seen a fairly strong surge in demand over the last year. Stablecoins in particular, which tend to trade according to linked underlying assets like the US dollar, for example, they've seen a lot more adoption in recent years. The digital currencies are growing as a preferred medium of exchange in sub-Saharan economies, especially in economies that have volatile local currencies, relatively high inflation and limited access to traditional banking services. CGTN's Najma Abdurizak tells us more.
Stablecoin is another form of decentralized digital currency that can be bought and sold on blockchain. Unlike Bitcoin, which floats free on the crypto market, stablecoin is pegged to assets or fiat currencies like US dollar, providing more certainty for investors. Alongside other digital assets, it has become a lifeline for the poor and unbanked, saving them significantly on cross-border payments.
I think, one of the big problems that you have, especially on the continent, right, is if you want to send money between two countries, that money is going from, South Africa to New York to Botswana. This technology actually enables that. It enables free, quick movements of, an asset that's as important as the dollar in international trade.
Bitcoin still remains the front runner, but stablecoin has seen a spike in demand over the past year.
Nigeria is one of the top countries in the world, never mind on the continent, for adoption of this technology. You have South Africa, you have Kenya, which are, all top 10 on earth for adoption of this technology, never mind the continent. You start to dig deeper and, you'll find that, 6 of the top 20, top 30 countries on earth for stablecoins, for, digital assets are African countries.
South Africa has enabled the growing crypto market through the granting of trading licenses and also the quick introduction of laws.
In most places in South Africa, it's classified as an intangible asset. It is traded and it was taxed just as any other asset. If you trade it on an ongoing basis, then it will be traded as income. And if it's on a longer term basis that you're holding as an investment over time, then it would be taxed as using the capital gains tax regime.
Digital currencies are gaining ground as a hedge against high inflation, making them ideal as payment methods for businesses and everyday purchases.
There are already some service providers who allow you to make purchases on websites like Takealot through crypto, where they will facilitate, they basically act as a payment gateway, third-party payment gateway, and allow you to make those transactions.
Despite crypto's volatility, experts say it has the potential to boost African economies. Sub-Saharan Africa holds less than 3% of the global market, but given the right policies, they believe it could significantly transform the financial landscape, grow small businesses, create jobs, and drive economic inclusion on the continent. Najma Abdurizak, CGTN.